Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the ReadyLift kit video that I did. In this part I'm going to cover how to install the spacers into the skid plate. It's going to be a very quick and very easy install. Okay, so let's see. Alright, let's see what we have here. We have two bolts. These are factory bolts, and to be used for the front side, one here and the other one here. For the rear side or the back side of the skid plate, here is what we're gonna use the spacers that came with the kit, and also the bolts that came with the kit. So we are not gonna be using the stock nuts, so let's put this away. So basically these three the spacer will be placed for this bracket, another spacer for this one, and the third one is should be placed here. So basically this is how it's gonna look like. We're gonna have the spacer right there, and this is the bolt, and that's it. So that's the way it's gonna be installed. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place the front side using these hooks into the frame, just to facilitate, you know, the process. I'm gonna install first the three nuts from the back side, and then I will proceed to install the front bolts right here and right here. Okay, so the tools needed, I have a 10mm socket here. I think, let me see, it's a 12mm socket for these bolts, and I'm gonna use just a drill for this one. Okay, so let's start with the installation. First thing I'm gonna do is to use these hooks, this one and the other one in the other side there, to hook up there using these holes, this long one and the other one in the other side, this one. Okay, when placing the skid plate into position, make sure that the front cover is below the skid plate, as this I'm showing in this picture of the video. There it should be, as you see here, the front bumper cover should be below the skid plate. So make sure that's that way, so that you don't have to remove it later. So now this is what I'm gonna fit this thing. So here is the hook and here is the long hole, so I'm gonna fit skid plate into that hole first. So I'm gonna place the spacer just right here. I'm gonna insert the bolt below and gonna just tighten it a little bit. So now let's put the other spacer in the right side bracket there, and then insert the bolt that came with the kit. And tighten it manually. Okay, so where is it? And now go to the other side and do the same. Let's place the spacer into position, and then insert the bolt that came with the kit right here. And that's it. Now tie all of them, but not completely. So you put all the bolts first, and then you can tie all of them. So for the front side, we're gonna use the factory bolts. Okay, one. Now for the front side, we're gonna insert the 2 bolts, one there and the other one in the other side, right here. So let's install the other side. Good to go. So now the only thing to do is to install the front bumper covers bolts. Right, one here, the other one here, and the last one just right here. Well, this is the end of this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to add below. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you are interested to see more mods that I'll be doing to my Tundra. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.